Hello, Wagwan peeps. This is Ricardo back again, Ricky, with another dinner channel. Today, this afternoon actually, I'm making some steamed fish. Steamed fish, a whole fish. I went to the market today, to the beach, and I bought 3 big fish. Put away 2. I was going to fry it at first, but I changed my mind. I decided to steam it instead, for good health. It's healthier. So what I did was, I took 1 fish, wash it, season it well, put it in my foil pan here, and on top I put some cabbage, some white Irish potatoes. I cut it up real fine. Yeah, man. I put some on it, yes, and I put some garlic inside of it, crushed garlic. I put some scallion, tomato, some thyme on top. Put some green pepper and scallion, and what else is in there? Tomato, I think I said that already. And I'm gonna wrap it up real good and steam it. Steam it for about 30 minutes. It'll come out real good, man. It's very tasty. But you have to make sure you put some good seasoning. I use Maggi seasoning, black pepper, salt. Maggi seasoning is all-purpose seasoning here in Jamaica. It's full of different spices and pimentos. Oh, I did put a few pimentos in there too. And then the first garlic, I put in the cavities and a few on top. I put some tomato on the side I'm gonna eat with. Cucumber. With some sliced up tomato. That's gonna be my Sunday dinner. It's gonna go in the oven in about 10 minutes after I wrap it up real good. Put a little water in it, and then you wrap it up real good. Put about 2 holes in it so it could steam well. You could do it on the stove too. You don't necessarily just have to do it in the oven. You can cook it on the stove. I'm gonna do another video one day with me cooking it on the stove. And you can also put it on the grill. You can grill it also. Come on, it's gonna be delicious. So that's gonna be my Sunday dinner. Another day I'm gonna show you some fried fish. Brown stew fish they call it. Brown with a little vegetables. And you stew it down in gravy. And then you make it with some rice and peas. I'm gonna make some rice and peas. That's gonna be the next one. So I'm not going to show you the finished video, but you could tell it's going to be delicious. The scotch bonnet pepper, that scotch bonnet pepper smells so good. It gives that nice flavor, man. Yeah, man. Gives it a nice flavor. Normally you put some okra on it too, but I didn't have any okra today. The okra that's on the market is kind of old looking. In Jamaica, it's a season for everything, so even cabbage is short, so I had to use one of my older cabbage, but I cut it around and it's still fresh. So I'm about to put this in the oven and see what I go on. Yeah, man. Bless up. Don't forget, if you watch my YouTube video, to like, subscribe, and to share up the video, man. Yeah, share it up now. Send it to some other people. I'm going to be on the farm tomorrow. I might make a video. I just got 100 acres. I'm going to be on the farm tomorrow. God bless.